Hey everybody, today we're going to do a little kit review of the Italeri Panzer Kampfwagen IV. The kit number was on the picture there. Here's the back of the box. First thing about this kit that I don't like is that it has a box that opens on the side. So I modify that a little bit, tape up the sides and rip off the top to make it a better box to work out of. So as you can see, the model has quite a large number of parts for a 1/72 scale kit, and they're nicely bagged, um, all in one bag. Uh, all the struts are separate parts, as you can see, and they're pretty well detailed. There's good molding on the tank, and for the most part, there's some issues with this kit that we'll go through as I'm going to do a build video on it too, and there's some things you should know before you build the kit. The wheels could be more defined. The hubs aren't as detailed as they could be on this kit, but you can get it out. You can get the detail out if you use good washes and some dry brush. And you have two figures. What I don't like about this is one of the figures is external, so there's really no option for the commander's hatch or another hatch on that one, because one of them is external and has his head turned at a 90-degree angle. So you can see the molding's good. There's lots of parts. The suspension is pretty nice, although you have to bring that out with the dry brush. The decals are excellent. A large selection of numbers and number patterns. And there's the tracks. I like this because it has plastic tracks with individual links for the sprockets. So anyway, that's pretty much it. It's a nice kit. It's got some issues that I'll go through on the build video, which will be coming up shortly. Anyway, this is Dave with a quick kit review of the Panzer Kampfwagen IV kit as pictured. They have other kits. They're now doing kits in conjunction with Warlord Games that are not, I won't say not as good, but like they have all the tracks and wheels. The whole side section there is just like one part. So you'd have to paint the tracks with the wheels on. It's really, I find them very much more difficult to paint. So anyway, yeah, the one thing I really like about this kit is it has plastic tracks. They're a real pain to install, but they come out a lot better than the one-piece wraparound tracks. So anyway, this is Dave. Watch for the build video. Checking out.